The Coquitlam Watershed UV Disinfection project has come a long way in the last year. Construction is now complete and the site is up and running. However, there are still some steps required for the building to reach its LEED certification, which is why today the roof will be getting a lot greener.
We're installing a green roof, which is part of our sustainability goals for this project. It's a mat we put on a couple of the areas of the roof. And it's a native vegetation mat that will grow and flourish with the natural rainfall we're getting here. And it's part of our LEED certification requirements, energy efficient design. So it's sort of one of the last pieces of the project we're doing today.
A green roof requires more than just plants. A layer of water retention mats are needed to keep the plants hydrated.
We have different layers, so you will see that we are building it up like building up a sandwich. So we first protect the roof membrane by putting a root barrier, and then after that we put a couple layers of water retention fleece. That's for storing the water, the rainwater, so that the plants can get to use them. And then after that you'll see the last layer is the vegetation mat.
These green roofs are not made of tall grasses or shrubs, but much smaller plants.
You will see a mixture of sedum plant. So sedum is a succulent plant, meaning that they store water in their leaves, in their roots, in their stems. So that gives them ability to withstand heat and drought. We have about 8 species. Some of them are evergreen and some of them are deciduous. So all of them will work well in different time of the year.
The installation of these roofs is fairly simple. Once the other layers are in place, the pre-grown succulents are rolled out adjacent to each other and will eventually grow together to make a unified roof that has many benefits to the building it sits on top of.
It helps reduce our carbon footprint for the whole facility, and it's a good thing to retain moisture on the site. Less drainage, less off drainage, and it looks nice to do. It's very aesthetically pleasing as well.
The green roof also protects the roof from natural wear.
The waterproofing membrane is being covered by this natural vegetation. So that will make the waterproofing membrane last twice as long. So normally it will last maybe 20, 25 years, and now you're looking at over 40 years of service. So that also means less maintenance costs for the owner as well. And not to mention, with all the vegetation, you're going to bring in a lot of bees and butterflies and also birds, so that can improve the biodiversity around the neighborhood as well.
The Coquitlam UV disinfection site has been providing clean UV disinfected water to Vancouver since December 2013. And the installation of this green roof represents some of the final steps of this multi-year undertaking to ensure that Metro Vancouver continues to provide the best quality drinking water possible.